In 2019, there were almost 7 million car accidents in the United States, and many of us spend hours each week on the road. And that's why it's so important to know exactly what to do when you're in an accident. In fact, the other day, I had a friend call me and say, "Colton, my wife's been in an accident. What does she need to do?" I'm Colton Richardson, a third-generation attorney, helping those who are hurt. My granddad and my dad have been fighting insurance companies for the last 4 decades, and I joined them desiring to help individuals who are in some of the toughest times of their lives. I hope to not only answer your legal questions, but also entertain. So please hit the subscribe and like buttons so we can get people answers to their questions. So what are the 10 things you need to do after a car accident? First, you want to make sure everyone is okay and that no one needs immediate medical attention. If someone needs care, call 911 immediately. Obviously, this comes before anything else. Second, make sure you and your passengers get to a safe place. Many times, car accidents happen on highways and on busy streets, so it is important to get your vehicle, or at least you and anyone else, in a safe place. If it is possible, pull into a parking lot. However, that is not always an option, so work with what you have in your situation. Third, call the police. Sometimes you may not think that a police officer is necessary. However, it is good to have a third-party witness like a police officer. Also, officers will document the accident and possibly investigate it. They may take pictures and videos of the scene and the damage to the vehicles. Police officers may also see if there are any third-party witnesses and get statements from them. Fourth, you will need to exchange information with the other driver. You'll want to get the other driver's name, driver's license number, and insurance information. In fact, it is just easiest and best to take a picture of their driver's license and their insurance card so you don't forget anything. This also allows you to have the information you need to make a claim. However, make sure that they show you the insurance card that is active. Their insurance card will have 2 dates, a start date and an end date. Make sure whatever day it is between those 2 dates. That will ensure you have their active policy information. Also, it is important to get this information up front instead of waiting for a police report to be made. This will allow you to contact their insurance company as soon as possible so you can get a rental vehicle. Fifth, be sure to document the accident. Today, we all have incredible cameras on our phones. There are some things that you should take pictures and videos of. Take pictures of their vehicle, including the make, model, and even the year if you can find it. Taking a picture of the VIN would be even better. Next, take pictures of the property damage to your vehicle and any other vehicle involved in the accident. Do not rely on the police officers to do this. I've seen too many times where they do not take pictures at all. You can also take a video all the way around the car. This will help others even better understand the damage to the vehicles. Also, take pictures and videos of the scene. This includes all around where the accident happened. This will allow an attorney, an insurance adjuster, or even a jury to really understand what the scene looked like on the day of the accident. Sixth, you'll want to document your injuries. If you have any injuries from the accident, take pictures of those as soon as possible. This will help show an adjuster or a jury your visible injuries before they heal and even as they heal and how they heal. Continue to take pictures of your injuries while you're healing. 7. See if there are any third-party witnesses. Again, do not rely on the police officer to do this. The police officers may arrive too late when the witnesses have already left. This is so important because it will be another perspective and more evidence for your case. In many situations, I've used third-party witnesses to maximize my client's case. 8. Let your insurance company know that you've been in an accident. Many insurance policies usually require that you inform your insurance company that you were in an accident, whether you were at fault or not. You'll also want to see if you have any medical payments or uninsured or underinsured motorist insurance. These will help pay for your medical bills and maybe even lost wages and pain and suffering that you experience. In fact, look at your insurance declaration page today. This shows what type of coverage you have, and make sure you have uninsured or underinsured motorist insurance and medical payments or PIP, personal injury protection. Make sure to look today before you even ever get in an accident. 9, and probably most importantly, go see a doctor. If you are injured or think you might be injured, go see a doctor. Many times, car accidents cause injuries that we cannot see to the naked eye. We have to get imaging done to see what damage has been done under our skin, our muscles, our tendons, and our tissue. There are 2 main purposes for going to the doctor. 1, obviously to get better. The second reason is to document your injuries. If you tell an insurance adjuster, I was really hurt in this case, they're going to ask for your medical records. If you don't have any medical records, they're going to think that you are lying about your injuries. Make sure you go see a doctor if you know or think that you might be injured after a car accident. Finally, talk with an experienced personal injury attorney. You might be thinking, there it is, now he's selling me. No, I'm not selling you at all. I just want you to have the information to get the compensation you deserve. And the best way to do that is by hiring an experienced personal injury attorney. You might have an uncle who is a family law attorney, or maybe you know your attorney who completed your estate planning, thinking you might be able to just hire them. However, you'll want to make sure whoever your attorney is has extensive experience in personal injury law. I'll do a whole video on how to pick the right attorney for your car accident case, but for now, look at their website to see if they handle a variety of different cases or just personal injury. If you have any questions, comment below or give me a call. If you are in a car accident, we would love to help you. We have attorneys who practice in Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, and Colorado. If you're not in these states, we likely can still get you connected with a trustworthy personal injury attorney in your area. Again, it would mean so much if you helped me reach others so that I can get them free legal information by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with your friends. In particular, share this video with your young drivers so they know what to do after an accident. I look forward to answering more of your questions, so drop them in the comments and I'll try to do a video on them.